Let's solve today's question. This is day 27 of 100 days LEETCODE challenge. And today's question is the length of longest subarray with at most k frequency. In this, you're given an integer array called as nums and you need to return the integer k. You're also given some conditions which we are going to read it carefully and work on it. The frequency of an element x is the number of times it occurs in an array. And you're also given an array which is called good. The array is called good if the frequency of each element in the array is less than or equals to k, and at last you need to return the length of the longest good subarray in the nums. Let us understand this with an example. In this example, you are given nums as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, and the value of k is given as 2. You'll be checking for two values. So the output is 6. Let us understand this. You're given the most possible longest subarray is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 because the length of the subarray must be greater than 2. So it is going to be 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3, and the length of this subarray is going to be 6. For this, first we need to define the max length as initializing it with the 0, and then we will also be having another variable called frequency, and we will be importing the default dictionary from the Python library. After that, we will be using the default dict of the int. After that, we will be initializing start as 0, and now let's go for the loop. For the end and also the num in enumerate of the nums, which is the list, the frequency of the nums is going to be increased. After that, we are going to check if the frequency of any element exceeds by k. We just need to address the window as we are doing this with the sliding method. So for that, we will be taking a while statement while the frequency of the num is greater than k. We need to check the frequency of the nums of what? Of the start. And we need to decrement it. For that, I'll be taking minus equals to 1. Then we'll be doing start as plus equals to 1. After that, we need to update the maximum length of the subarray. For that, we'll be doing max length the max length equals to the maximum of max length comma the end minus of the start, and we'll be going for the next index so that we'll be adding +1. After that, we just need to return the max length, return max length. Let's run this. Num in enumerate. Thank you.